Hello, teacher.
Can you turn on your camera? Thank you. Can you put the camera so we can see your face for the video test?
Dạ bảo ơi, con bật cam lên.
Zabao, we can't see you. All right. Zabao, do you have some music on?
Yes.
Yes. Can we make it a little bit quieter just for the video test? Okay. Right. You can unmute yourself and then we're going to start the video test. All right. So this is your video test 3. Can you start by introducing yourself? So can you tell me what is your name, what class are you in, and how old are you?
Yes. My name is Bao. I'm
Good.
12 years old.
And what class are you in? So ES5-M5.
I'm class ES5-M5.
Well done. And in your video test, you've got 3 parts. So part 1, you are going to be comparing the difference between 2 photographs. Part 2, you will be asking and answering questions. And part 3, you will be shown some photographs, and then you have to tell me a story from those photos. So we're going to start with part 1. So I want you to tell me 5 differences you can see between these 2 photos.
Picture 1 is windy, but picture 2 is the sun.
Sunny. Yeah, good. Next one.
Picture 1, mother is asleep, but picture 2, mother is reading the book.
Reading a book, good. Next.
The picture 1 is a sheep, but picture 2 is a cow.
Okay. Next one.
Picture 1 is 2 times, but picture 2 is 1 time.
Good. Okay, so just one thing. Remember, if we're talking about 2 things, we don't say is, we say are. So we'll say there are 2 tenths. Okay, and then can you do one more?
The picture 1 fruit is the orange, but picture 2 is the fruit is the red.
Okay, so what, can you see what fruit they are? So they are oranges, and what are the fruit in the second picture?
Orange, but picture 2 is the fruit is the apple.
Apples, well done. All right, so that's the end of part 1. We're going to move on to part 2. So I'm going to ask you questions about Harry's favorite restaurant. All right, so I want you to answer in full sentences. So what is the name of Harry's favorite restaurant?
The name restaurant Harry favorite is the Hamburger.
Ben's Burgers, good. And how often does Harry visit his favorite restaurant?
Harry favorite restaurant is the every Saturday.
All right. So with this one, we're going to say Harry visits his favorite restaurant every Saturday. Yeah.
Yes.
Can you say that? Harry visits his favorite restaurant every Saturday.
Harry visits favorite
favorite-
restaurant every day.
Every Saturday.
Every Saturday.
Yeah, well done. And what time does it close?
The Harry favorite restaurant close is the 10 o'clock.
Okay. And is it expensive or cheap?
It is the very it is the cheap.
Good, well done. All right, so next we're going to talk about Helen's favorite restaurant. So this time I want you to ask me questions. So use full sentences to ask me questions.
What the favorite restaurant? What name Helen's favorite restaurant?
Okay, so Helen's favorite restaurant is called Pasta Place. So next question.
The Helen favorite restaurant expensive or cheap?
Okay, so Helen's favorite restaurant is expensive.
How often Helen favorite restaurant visit?
Okay, so this one we're going to say, how often does Helen visit? Yeah. So
Yes.
how often does Helen visit?
How
She visits. Yeah.
Helen favorite restaurant visit?
Okay, she visits once a month. All right, well done. So that's the end of part 2. We will move on to part 3. So telling a story. So you're going to look at these 5 pictures, and I want you to tell me the story in as much detail as you can. So start with picture 1, so Richard and his mom.
Picture 1, Richard and mom ready the go to the park.
Okay.
Picture 2, mom and Richard go to the park.
Yeah.
And they are sing in the auto.
Okay.
In the car.
In the car, well done.
Picture 3, they are eating lunch, and
Yeah.
Cow is there near.
Good.
Picture 4, they are play football.
Yep. And what happens at the end? So what is the cow doing? What is the cow doing?
Cow look the cow steal the hat.
Yeah. And how does the mom feel?
Mom is angry.
Mom is angry. Well done. All right, Zabao, that is the end of your test. Well done. So you can leave this chat and you can go back to the other one, all right?
Yes.
All right, thank you very much.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, Zabao.